here in Barranco. This is the bridge. They always had it painted pretty nicely. And yeah, so we're gonna check this place out at night, get some good footage here. Show you Barranco at night. We're here by the bridge. ¿Qué se llama eso?
Mural.
No,
¿Puente?
¿Puente de qué?
Ah, no, ese es el puente de los suspiros.
Ah, ok. Puente de Suspiros.
Ajá, ese es un túnel.
Túnel, ok. ¿Es su nombre o no?
Creo que no.
Okay. All right, let's walk through, get some footage in this tunnel. See what it's like. All right, so we walking through under this bridge at night. Gonna see if, you know, we can show you some things when we go through this bridge. They always have it. She was explaining to me that they change up the mural every so often. So it's not always this, what we got going on right now, but right now it is like an Afro-Peruvian theme. I think it's been up for a while. Like it's not always this, but that reminds me of like Good Times a little bit, right? Kind of looks like the Good Times theme. Walk through and like it's pretty cool because on the other side they always have something as well. Hopefully you can get a good view of everything that's going on here. Yeah, look at this. They take this thing serious, man. The designs here are pretty cool. ¿Qué te dice?
Ni tu puente suspira tanto como yo por ti.
En inglés. Nada. Okay. She's still working on it. And I'm still working on my Spanish too, so. Not even your bridge yearns you as much as I do yearns for you as much as I do for you. Okay.
Es bueno.
¿Sí? ¿Qué es mejor? ¿Eso? Eso. Yeah. ¿Sí?
Pero ambos cocinan rico.
Okay, so we're here. We're gonna see if we can get in here. Maybe get some seats. It's packed over. All right, so they said it's gonna be a 30-minute wait, so we'll take off, walk around the block a little bit, and then I don't know, come back, see what that food is like there. Hopefully it's worth the wait. That's a long wait, 30 minutes. Maybe we should have went here. They ain't got nobody. They got nobody waiting there. Yeah. Okay, so we're here at the Isolina restaurant, and looking at the menu, they got a lot of unique stuff. You got stuff like chicken gizzards, sauteed linguine, tenderloins, you know, stuff like that. But then beef liver, beef kidney, you know, stuff that you don't normally see on the menu. I'm sure it's really good. I'm not really venturing to that. You also, another one they got on here is stew made with beef feet, cooked with peanuts and other stuff like that. So I've never seen that before, but I'm gonna try to stick with what I know. I'm gonna get some sauteed tenderloins. Some sauteed tenderloins, or either the noodles, pesto, with breaded tenderloins. I'm gonna do one of those, but yeah, I'm gonna try to make it work for me. ¿Qué tú?
Hijo de mollejitas.
¿De qué?
De mollejitas.
De mollejitas. Okay.
Ese de acá.
So she got a different menu. Ah, okay. She's getting the chicken gizzards. Chicken gizzards, okay. All right, we got a little starter. ¿Qué se llama eso?
Causa limeña. Causa limeña.
Okay. Nice. Okay, so she gonna try it out. Let's see. It's good? Muy bueno, okay.
Pollo.
Okay.
Es un órgano de pollo.
Sí, okay. Chicken gizzards. Sí,
¿La molleja?
sí. That's what she got. She got some chicken gizzards right there. And it's bueno?
Está muy rico.
Sure. And I got some noodles and beef sirloin. I'm keeping it real basic, but I've already tasted it. It's pretty good so far. So, yeah, I can't. There's not a lot of room at this table, so I gotta kind of be limited with what I'm doing. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you what I'm eating, and then I'm going to eat it. And you can see we already tore up a lot of that. Although that is pretty filling. Like you have like 2 bites of that, and it's not real light. And this is the small portion. But I'm thinking like, damn, even if I was hungry, that would be a normal size, you know? And it's like normal or pequeña? It's the normal. Okay, so she got the normal size. She wasn't expecting to get that much food. So it's a lot of food, but this place is not the cheapest place, but it's not crazy expensive either. So, all right, we're gonna eat. All right, so this is Ayahuasca. Another spot here. This spot is here in Barranco, and it has very nice aesthetics outside, as you can see. Now we're gonna go inside. These ladies want to drink some more, so we're gonna go inside and check it out. It's nice though. Look, they got this little garden and stuff out here. Everything. So. Show us your dancing skills. Let me see. I saw the feet. Hey.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.